Wow, Keekee. I wonder where are we? This is some sort of Willy Wonka's chocolate factory from a storybook back at the kindergarten. And it's funny I dressed up like Violet Beauregard from Willy Wonka. Whatever strain's going on, Keekee, I think we should get going. I'm sure we're gonna keep going, Keekee. I'm not scared. Well, deeply nervous. How many paths are we going? The chocolate rim? Wow. That is something like I saw in the storybook and the movie. Oompa Loompas? From the novel? Looks like we're here. Inventing room. Private. Keep out. Wow. Do you see? It looks like some sort of record player or something. Scientist Paulson. Pots. What? Is that? I'm not sure if I could taste that gum, but I will go for it. Keekee? I don't think I'm gonna like the looks of it the way I'm round is you know what I am, Keekee. I might look like a candy blueberry. Yep, that's why I feel like I'm gonna say, I can't get through the door. Don't worry, Keekee. I'm sure we can find a way. A crate is a storybook I remember. I heard about the choosing room that could get me back to normal. But I've heard I'm gonna be blue. Come on. I didn't know I could glow? There it is. The choosing room must be it. I can't. My body is so happy. Come on, come on. This is not funny. Hello? Can somebody help me up here? Gotta keep trying, gotta keep trying, gotta keep trying. This is frustrating, Keekee. Now I'm never gonna get up here. Please have to keep trying. Now I'm gonna find a way to get up, but I'm not giving up. I have to keep jumping. That's a lot of jump, but we made it. The choosing room, that's the one. Oh, thank God. Oh, good grief. I'm feeling much better. But except I'm purple. I know, Keekee. I know it looks strange, but I hope I'm gonna be okay. I'm sure I can find a way to get myself back to normal. I don't know what will Charlie and the others say. especially Bezzaroli. And not to mention Queen Bee. We made it. Now we're gonna continue this tour together. How? This is something I don't remember from the movie and the storybook. How? Unbelievable. But we should not touch them. Especially ever since I touched the gum, and now look what I became. I'm a blueberry. A blueberry kitty now. We'll keep going, Keekee. And there's gotta be a way out. I'm going down now. That must be it. Whoa. Wow. Huh? I never seen anywhere like that. It's amazing. What was that? A snowy room. I don't remember that from a storybook. Huh? Oh yeah. If I remember the storybook back in the kindergarten, we shouldn't touch that ray, otherwise we'll get smaller. Let's go. I never want to get smaller like Mike T.B. in there. This must be it. Let's get in, Keekee. Wow. Keekee, I never knew we're inside the glass elevator. Well, this is something we see. I suppose this is the end of the story now. Yep. I feel like we are in the storybook. Like we're in the storybook of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, but how do we get out of this in the first place?